Okay, let me show you how this works. And you see like this. And if you have something like this on this part, that's pretty good. So you don't have to take this out. You can do it from here. And the same for the ball joint. You do the same. So what we do is, you see, you place it in here, like here. You can do it both ways, like this as well, if you only need this part here for the ball joint. But if not, you just do it like this. See? See? Like this. And you just turn it on from here. Yeah. So basically it works with air. So you have to have a compressor. It's not electric. So yeah, you see how it expanded? And then you do it like this. You see that? You see? Mm. 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 Yeah, that's how it works. Then we just lower it. Comes out. That's it.